Welcome back. So let us continue with the next paragraph on page number 78. He was kneeling on the floor in the next room, tinkering with a part of his motorcycle over some newspaper spread on the carpet. So here, Geoff is a mechanic or an apprentice to a mechanic, and he is working on a part of the motorcycle. So he spread newspaper so that the floor doesn't get dirty and blackened due to the grease and whatever comes out of that machine part. And he is saving the flooring and the carpet. On that, he is sitting and working. He was 3 years out of school, an apprentice mechanic. So if you can just calculate, Sophie herself is in the last year of the school, and he has been out of school since 3 years. So he's 3 years elder to him. An apprentice mechanic traveling to his work each day to the far side of the city. So he is working with a mechanic who already has a shop or a place. He is learning the skill of repairing motorcycles and other motor vehicles. He works over there. An apprentice is a person who is an intern or who is learning the craft. He was almost grown up now, and she suspected areas of his life about which she knew nothing, about which he never spoke. So she thinks that her brother is absolutely grown up and he doesn't discuss everything with her. There are certain things which he will discuss only with his friends or he will not talk about. So she thinks that he keeps some things to himself and there are other things that he talks about with Sophie. He said little at all ever voluntarily, and he is a quiet person. He is not blabbermouth and he doesn't continue talking all the time. So it is very difficult to make him talk. And he will only talk when you ask him something, so he will give you an answer. Voluntarily, on his own, he will not talk. Words had to be prized out of him like stones out of the ground, and she was jealous of his silence. So she didn't like him being silent, which meant that he was a little away from Sophie. He kept something away from his own sister, and she could not reach that place. So she did not like a place in his life where she could not reach. So it is something like she idolizes her brother and she wants to know everything about him, just like she tells everything about herself or she talks about whatever she has on her mind, and he doesn't do that. So she feels that she should be a part of his life in every portion, which she sometimes misses out. So she feels jealous of his silences when he's very quiet, which means he's not talking to her. When he wasn't speaking, it was as though he was away somewhere and she couldn't reach that place. It was that corner of his life which was not open to anybody and everybody to walk through or to walk into, since I said it is a corner. And she doesn't feel good about that place where her brother just is with himself. He is not with her. Out of there, so though he was away somewhere, out there in the world, in those places, she had never been. And she feels that he has experiences which she has not had so far. And he doesn't talk about them, so she doesn't know anything about those experiences which she wants to know. Whether they were only the outlying districts of the city or places beyond in the surrounding country, who knew? So she feels that her brother has more adventure than she has. She is not able to go anywhere and everywhere she wants to. She cannot work. She is still going to school. She doesn't have too much money and no freedom, whereas her brother is working as an apprentice. And since he's going out to do some daily work, so he gets to see the world, which she doesn't get to see. She stays in one place, goes to school, comes back home, and the father is very strict with her. This is kind of the difference you have between brothers and sisters, boys and girls in the household. The boys generally have more freedom to go anywhere they want to, or to run errands, to drive first, to learn to use the vehicles before the girls. Generally, I'm not specifying, I'm just talking about the general thought process of the people. It is much easier to give things to the boys than to the girls, whether it is freedom, right to go out, right to independent thinking, or driving a vehicle or anything. So it is easy for the boys. In the same manner, she feels the same thing, that he is able to go anywhere he wants to and I can't. So she is jealous of that fact that her brother has more experience about the world, sees more of the world than she does. They attained a special fascination simply because they were unknown to her. So the places that he could go to, I don't know whether he went or not. Sophie doesn't know that either. And maybe he's just going to the mechanic shop and coming back every day. But then Sophie thinks that he has more adventure than her. The world is accessible to my brother and it is not to me. So she feels jealous of those places which are unknown to her and remained out of her reach. She is not able to go there where he can easily because he is a working man. Perhaps there were also people, exotic, interesting people of whom he never spoke. So she doesn't know what is running in his mind. He might be meeting wonderful people. The grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. So Sophie feels that I don't have any freedom and my brother has such a lot of it. And he might be meeting wonderful people. He might be having adventures. He might be going around. And I am missing out on all that, what my brother is doing. Interesting people of whom he never spoke and he never discussed it. It was possible, though he was quiet and didn't make new friends easily. So she just thinks, that maybe he has a lovely life, though he's a quiet person and doesn't talk about it too much, but still, maybe he has a lovely life which I don't know about. She longed to know them, so she wanted to know everything about her brother, and through her brother, she wanted to know about the world and make it accessible to herself. She wanted to explore, which she wanted to do with her brother because he was sort of a ticket for her. He could take her wherever she wasn't allowed to go by her parents. So that is why she wanted to be with her brother and she wanted to know everything that ran in his mind. Whether he talked it or not, she wanted him to talk to him. I'll be putting up another video, number 3 after this, and I'll carry on. There are 2 questions out here which I think we can discuss in the next video.